Hi, it's John from Autel. We know how many of you count on Autel's TPMS tools and sensors every day in your shop. We appreciate your business and are committed to constantly improving our program through increased coverage and software optimization. After all, we're the only company out there that produces both tools and sensors. We work really hard to make sure that our products work seamlessly together and add a reliable stream of income to your shop's operations. We test every application before we release it to technicians to ensure its reliability and compatibility. We have some important information to share with you. Autel has just updated the technology in our MX Sensor 1 sensor by adding new electronics that allow us to increase the coverage and capabilities of our sensor as new makes and models enter the marketplace. The appearance of the sensor is still the same, and there's no new part number or designation written on the packaging. It's still the same MX Sensor 1 sensor we know and love, but we made a running change to the production process to support newer vehicles. Now here's the important thing. Current TS508 and TS508 Wi-Fis, along with all other TPMS service tools, must be updated to the current version of our software to program the new sensors. If you try to program the latest version of the MX Sensor 1 sensor with outdated software, the tool will fail to recognize the sensor during the programming process prior to installation. If your tool is not updated, it will probably display a message like, "No sensor detected." So please update to the latest version of the software to take advantage of all the features and benefits of the latest MX Sensor 1 sensor. I'm not sure if you've been to the autel.com website lately, but it's brand new and totally reimagined for a smoother, more seamless user experience. Today, we'll show you how to navigate the new site so you can download the Maxi PC Suite software required to update our TS508 tool successfully. Our TS508 Wi-Fi is a Wi-Fi-enabled version of our flagship TPMS tool that can update over the air. We'll be going over updating procedures for the TS508 Wi-Fi as well, so everyone is able to download and install the updates onto their tool. Let's start with the standard TS508. Go to autel.com, go to Service and Support, and click Software Downloads. Click on Maxi PC Suite. You will see two different versions that offer support for both Windows and Mac. Click to download your version of choice. Click on the file once downloaded to begin installation. The Install Wizard will guide you through the process until the software installation is complete. You should now notice a Maxi PC Suite icon on your desktop. If you're using the standard version of the TS508, plug the tool into the computer's USB port and then the tool. You will now go to the My Device menu on the TS508 and choose Update Mode. Once you see Update Mode displayed clearly on the screen of the TS508, double-click the Maxi PC Suite icon on the desktop to launch the update program. The software should automatically recognize the tool, provided it has been registered, and display the available updates. Click the Update button to begin the update installation process. Once it's complete, simply unplug the tool, and you're all set. If your tool has never been updated, before the updates appear, the Maxi PC Suite program will ask you to register the tool. You will need to create an Autel account using a unique email and password. Once you have entered the information, click Send Verification Code. An email will be sent to the provided username containing a verification code for your new account. Go to your email to retrieve the code and type it into Maxi PC Suite. If you don't immediately see an email from Autel, check your spam folder just in case it's located there. Once all the information is entered, you will then be able to advance to the available updates and install them on your TS508. The TS508 Wi-Fi offers users a choice between updating via the USB cable connected to the PC or over a wireless internet connection. Here's how to use a Wi-Fi network to update the tool. The first thing we'll need to do is connect to a wireless network. Follow the menu selection on the tool, view the available networks, and choose the correct one. You will now need to enter the Wi-Fi password to get connected. On the TS508 Wi-Fi, under My Device, choose Update by Wi-Fi. Both the tool registration and update procedure can be completed right from the TS508 Wi-Fi without the need to be connected to a PC. Once registered, you can now update the tool. Make sure you're in an area with a strong Wi-Fi signal so the download is not interrupted. After several minutes, the download will complete and you'll be ready to take advantage of the new Gen 3 MX Sensor 1 sensor. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.